Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Pittman new course. From start. Exercise number 1. 1. The date full stop. 2. The page full stop. 3. Date the page full stop. 4. The debt full stop. 5. Pay the debt full stop. 6. Who paid the debt question mark. 7. Abe page paid it, comma, but Ted they paid it, comma, 2 full stop. 8. Ted paid the debt which Abe paid full stop. 9. The day Abe paid the debt, comma, Ted paid it, comma, 2 full stop. 10. Do page 2 full stop. 11. Aid id to do it full stop. 12. Pay did to aid Abe full stop.